Hello everyone. Today I'll be presenting about list and slicing used in Python. So in Python, a list is a collection of items stored in a specific order. Think of it like a row of labeled boxes, each with an index. So starting, here's a list of fruits as an example. The list is apple, banana, mango, cherry as you can see here. Now each item in a list is given an index. That index is a number and it starts with 0. And each item in the list can be accessed using its corresponding index number. For example, in this line of code, fruits is square bracket 1. Now, why would the output be banana? Because banana is the list option stored in index 1 since the index starts with 0. Next is negative indexing. Python also supports negative indexing, and fruits -1 in this case would give you cherry. Why? Because in negative indexing it starts reverse order. Cherry in normal indexing would be 3, right? But in negative indexing it will be -1. Mind it. -1, not 0, because 0 is not a negative number. Next is slicing. Slicing is basically when a way to extract parts of a list. So for example, we want the first three items of the list, right? Now as we know, the list indexing starts from 0, so 0, 1, 2 would be the first three items in the list, right? So the end index as specified here, 3, is usually not included. There are different types of indexing. First, start to index number. So here we will Python will assume the default start index, which is 0 usually, and you specify the end index over here, which is 3, meaning apple, banana, mango would once again be your output. You can also do another way where you specify the start index, but end index would be the default end index, which is the end of the list. So here I don't want apple and banana in my list. So I'll start with index 2 and it will go till the end of the list, which is 3, right? The end of the list is index 3, which is cherry, which is why my output would be mango and cherry. So slicing in Python is a clear and flexible and very powerful uh, code or a line of code which you can use, and it can be used in multiple applications. Thank you.